we became a consultancy. Our flagship case study was with HSBC, where we went in as a small team. It was actually a couple of engineers from Mesoform, and we built out one of the largest Google Cloud, if not the largest Google Cloud implementation on the planet. We did it with a very, very small team, and we exceeded the expectations. It was an 18-month plan that the business had, and we exceeded their expectations of growth by a factor of 12. A lot of the way we did it was this same sort of approach, self-service model, GitOps model. Things went into Git for developers, and all the security and compliance aspect to it was built into our processes. Concerns around security and compliance had to go through our system. And we did things like we used tools like Jenkins, we used tools like Terraform, we wrote a handful of apps, Python apps that are wrote for HSBC in this platform engineering space. An example of one of those apps. We wanted as much as possible to give as much self-service to the development teams as possible. So we gave them the ability to create their own firewall rules within certain zones. And the way we did that was we created a Python app that converted their request from a JSON-based configuration, built a compliance, a policy engine, and there were some rules on the other side that the security and compliance team would decide upon. And if it wasn't allowed, they couldn't do it. If it was allowed, they could do it. So very basic thing. You don't want anyone opening up a firewall rule 0000 to the world. And that was obviously a denial. They just couldn't do it. And we built a load of things within Google Cloud, used a lot of the Google Cloud technologies to set up the platform in a way that made it really solid. And what that meant was we got all the benefits of the Kubernetes ecosystem. The specification on the front end for the developers didn't have to change. They're all very, very familiar with Kubernetes resource model already anyway. And then what we were doing is then adding value within the platform for these patterns and common ways of doing things, adding the security and compliance aspect to it, all within the platform.